Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. The best drones for beginners will be relatively budget-friendly or equipped with collision sensors, because flying a drone is never risk-free. Even the best pilots have accidents. Many drones come with built-in safety features such as distance limiters, return-to-home functions, and propeller guards that will help you should you find yourself in a sticky situation. Once you know the controls of your drone and feel more confident flying, you can start to experiment with more exciting shots, but to begin with, it's a good idea to use tutorials or pre-programmed modes. Whether you're investing in a drone for aerial photography or videography, or even drone racing, some of the best drones you can buy don't cost as much as you think.
Number 3. DJI Mini 2.
The DJI Mini 2 is an excellent beginner drone for several reasons. Firstly, it weighs under 250 g, which means you only have to register it if you plan on using it commercially. It has advanced GPS safety features such as return to home and restricted fly zones, so you can't accidentally fly into an airfield, for example. Other useful features include quick shots, so that you can easily share images, distance limiters, and automatic landing. Thanks to a new remote control in Federal Aerial Administration (FAA) areas, it has a range of 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles, and can be flown in winds up to 24 miles per hour without it going out of range.
Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro.
We don't throw 5-star reviews around every which way, but so long as you don't mind digging a little further into your pocket than you might want, the Mini 3 Pro is an amazing drone. It offers enough photographic quality to please a serious creative. All of the intelligent features seen on DJI's higher-end drones, including the ability to fly around obstacles and keep on going, and despite this it manages to stay below the frustrating weight threshold. The Mini 3 Pro even adds a feature not seen on previous copters, a rotating camera that will help capture people without the resolution loss of cropping into a horizontal image for vertical social media. For some, this might be the feature that sells the drone alone.
Number 1. Ryze Tello.
With more than half of the global market, DJI has kept its tech at the serious end of the market. However, a friendly relationship with neighboring firm Ryze has led to the Tello, a compact drone that doesn't skimp on the tech. It beams 720p video back to a phone in Wi-Fi range, 100m or 5MP photos, which are recorded by the app. This data link also provides you with a battery warning, and the drone is capable of taking off and hovering using its 14-core processor and inbuilt sensors. That power makes for fun features like the throw and go, launching and flips, but also supports Scratch, a simple, block-based programming language that means literally anyone, kids included, can have fun ordering the Tello about.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.